Hey, in this video, I'm going to discuss my goals for 2022 and give you a step-by-step process to track your goals for the entire year. I'm Dezmond Broadway from Rite of Passage. My mission is to help you become the best dressed, most well-rounded version and developed version of yourself. If you're struggling with making a plan for the year, this video walks you through exactly what you need to do so you can have a clear and concise plan. I'll also explain my goals and examples of what to do. All right, let's get started. Now, how do you reach your goals? First, I'd recommend only picking one goal. Think about that goal morning, afternoon, and evening. Pick 2 to 3 actionable habits that will help you reach that goal and review it. And review if you've accomplished that goal daily in a journal. If you want to kill 2022, hit that like button and think about what your one goal would be. All right, so what I want you to do is pick 2 to 3 actionable habits that will help you reach that goal and review if you accomplish that goal daily in a journal. Talk about my goals. My 2 core goals for this year are to make $10,000 a month and to reach 12% body fat, around 215 body weight. The question is, how will I reach these goals? I can't guarantee I will reach these goals, but I can't guarantee that I will reach these goals. But what I can guarantee is that I can achieve my habits daily, and those habits will track me along to the goals I need to reach. And doing actionable habits will help me reach those goals and get closer to them daily. Okay, so for my habit for 10,000 a month, it's to post 3 videos a week and 3 reels a week. 3 reels a week. My habits for weight loss are first and foremost a calorie deficit with moderate protein, and to lift 3 times a week and to climb 3 times a week, as well as running every morning. And with that, I should get closer to my goal by the end of the year. Now, the thing to remember is that as long as you're tracking, you'll be closer to your goal than ever before. So keep that mindset steadfast on what you want to achieve. And by the end of 2022, you'll be surprised how far you got. If you found value in this video, leave a like and comment down below what you want to hear next for Mindset Mondays. All right, take care, and remember, live a life led without regret.